In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Umamusume Pretty Derby using a simple, free process that works on both mobile and PC. Even though, as of August 2025, there are no active promotional codes, the game has a built-in feature ready for future code releases, so you'll be prepared. First, you need to complete the game's tutorial, because the code redemption option only becomes available after that. Once you're past the tutorial, you can access the feature easily from the main menu. On mobile, launch the game and go to the main menu. Look for the menu button in the upper right corner of your screen and tap it. This opens a list of options, and if you scroll down, you'll see enter code under the other section. Tap this and a text field will appear. Simply type or paste the code, then tap OK to redeem it. The game will process the code instantly, and you receive any rewards linked to it. The process on PC is similar, but the menu layout may differ slightly. Look for the menu icon, navigate to the other section, and click Enter Code. From there, type in your code and confirm. It's that simple. Using this feature, you'll be ready to claim future rewards, whether they're free gems, items, or other in-game bonuses. Even if no codes are currently active, knowing where and how to redeem them ensures you never miss out when the developers release new promotions. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tap the notification bell so you'll always get the latest free tips and tutorials